Gusto mo ba manalong presidente si Sara Duterte?
I'm saying she's the woman to beat. Look at the surveys, and not only the surveys, kasi Bisaya ako, Karen. Not that I want, but that the people also I mingle with, they all say the same thing. If you hold elections now, VP Sara will win.
Balikan natin ngayon ang impeachment complaint.
Oh, dami lang naman yun. That's a dummy complaint. Sabi nga ni Congressman Erice, that lawyer is the lawyer of Lisa Marcos against Glenn Chong. Oh. Paano kami maniniwala dyan? They just did that para mabar yung any other complaint. Nag-file pa rin ng Makabayan. Naman ang gusto ko sa Makabayan, consistent. BBM resign, Sara resign. Itong si Risa Ontiveros ng Akbayan Dati, never again. Ngayon, why not? Maririnig mo ba siya? Nagsasabi ng BBM resign. Kabayan is consistent. Diyan ang mga kasama ko noon sa UP. Mga kabatch ko yan si Lisa Wasa. Consistent yan. Di ba? Akbayan gusto nila Sara i-impeach, saka na lang daw labanan si BBM. What kind of thinking is that? Anong klaseng strategy yan? I think ang gusto talaga nila mayari is BBM gang will support her either as vice president, di ba? Pero dreaming na yan na tatakbo sa president dahil hindi tatakbo ang BBM gang. Mas guwapo naman si John Vic Remulla kaysa kay Lamas. Tatakbo yun. Sabi mo, ma'am, bardagulan. Bakit? Bakit kayo magagalit sa akin? I'm a private citizen. Sue me.
What can the president do in the last 2 years of his administration that would really make a difference? Kasi naging whistleblower siya naglabas nung yung mga flood control.
Hindi totoo yan, ma'am. Because I think, eto na naman, prediction ko to, kaya makinig kayo lagi sa akin. Tunay akong analyst. Sa first 3 years nila, ang plano nila is kaukaw ng kaukaw. Nakaw todo-todo. And they use the budget. That's why yung yan mortal sin nila to our democracy is that they used Congress to loot our taxes. Mortal sin yan. At ngayon, hindi nakukulong. Walang nakukulong. Si Rebilla nakulong. Ano ba yan? Palit ulo? Hindi. 2 years to go. Dapat ipakulong ni BBM si Romualdez para tumahimik ako. At tumahimik yung mga tao who are supporting me. Bakit si Saldico ang binabanatan nyo? Sinasabi na ni Saldico na ang mastermind si Martin Romualdez na nag-atid siya ng pera doon at kay Bongbong. Pinalayas nila kasi, ayaw nilang magtestigo. Ngayon, gusto na magtestigo, ayaw naman nilang pabalikin. Kunyari lang yun. Bakit si Senate Torpeng Lacson sa Blue Ribbon in-invite si mag-testify by Zoom, si Saldico? Nung lumabas na sa ibang network yung part 1, part 2, part 3 ni Saldico, ayaw na ipatestify doon by Zoom. Ano ba talaga, Senator, ang rules dyan sa Blue Ribbon Committee? Dapat what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Di ba? Ganun lagi mga Inglesero. Bakit naman ganun? Dapat pinatestify nyo na. Kasi kung pinatestify nyo yun, di part of the records na yun ng Senado, ang sasabihin niya na naghatid siya ng pera sa kay Romualdez at sa bahay ni Bongbong at sa Malacanang. Ang sinasabi mo, whistleblower si Bongbong, that's not true. He admitted there was a U.S. State Department report saying that the corruption in the DPWH is massive. That's why he did that. At saka, yun na nga ang analysis ko na 3 years come, and then on the 4th year, look like a hero. Hero ba siya?
Naniniwala ba kayo na posibleng makasuhan at makulong si Martin Romualdez?
Pwede. Kasi bakit nila pinakasuhan si Rebilla at pakulong nila? Bakit hindi? Diba, ICI also, yun lang ang problema kasi sabi nila i-livestream nila, hindi nila livestream. Kawawa yung ICI, sinabi ko na when I was in Europe, mag-resign na kayo, mga inutil kayo. Naiwan na lang ngayon si former Justice Andy Reyes. I mean, hindi naman siya makaresign, di ba? Di ba? Technically, that is already inutil.
Anong nakikita niyong kalalabasan ng buong flood control hearings?
Ang hearings na yun ng ICI, it was done to pacify us. That's why I said in the first place, ano yung ICI na yan? Si Bongbong din naman nag-appoint dyan. Siya naman namili ng mga tao. O sino una nag-resign? Di ba? Yung accountant? Yung accountant nag-resign eh. Di ba? O, ngayon si Justice Reyes na lang naiwan. Because, how can I believe na yan? Eh, kung si Justice Davide kaya nilagay mo doon, baka maniwala pa ako. Di ba? I'm nothing against Justice Reyes. Pero alam ko naman na former ES Bersamin also partly chose the members there. Di ba? At tapos nadawit siya, si ES Bersamin, Chief Justice, nag-resign siya. Kasi gagawin siya sangkalan. Di ba? Chopping board. Oh. Yeah, it's falling eh. Di ba? The boat is sinking.
But
di ba?
what are you seeing? May maganda bang kalalabasan lahat ito? Some
Well, so
people
far.
see reforms, something positive.
Sabi nga, ko nga, at ni Dr. Winnie Munsod, na how can Bongbong reform when all these people around him are incapable of reform because he, as a leader, really doesn't want reform? Bongbong Marcos ran on the unity chu-chu-chu with Sara Duterte. That's why he won. I'm not friends with Sara Duterte. I've never met her except in my sala when she applied for registration of her local party. And I treated her there as petitioner even when she was mayor. And it's not true that kumakampi ako kay Sara Duterte.
So hindi ka
Yung
pro-Duterte.
impeachment-
Hindi kasi yan ang sinasabi ng ilan.
Paano ako mag-pro Duterte nag-Leni ako? Tapos paano ako maging DDS na I fought Marcos all my life and my whole family, my brothers and sisters? Hanggang ngayon, yung kuya ko na heart surgeon, may marka pa ng Molotov bomb dito dahil sa Diliman Commune and First Quarter Stove. Hindi lang ako, Karen. Lahat ng mga kapatid ko sa UP, nag-aktivista kami against the dictatorship. 12 years old pa lang ako. I nearly went underground, but I saw my mother crying in my dreams. So I took that bus at midnight and went home from Dumaguete. Oo. So, ang sinasabi ko, paano ako mag-DDS? Andun nga ako nagkampanya kami against Marcos and against his warlord Armando Gustilo. O gusto nyo, kayo doon magkampanya? Eh, na-April doon, tinututukan ng Armalite. So, we risked our lives and properties and liberty to fight for Cory Aquino nung nag-snap election. At na-appoint ako mayor ni President Cory, and I ran, and I served up Cadiz City, which became a first-class city, with the surplus. When I entered there, third class, di sila makabayad ng sweldo eh. Ang point doon is, I was even appointed by Cory Aquino to reward me and my family for our fight against the dictatorship of Marcos. And not only me, she appointed my mother, Elvira Guanzon, to her previous position as board member because she resigned from the KBL when we already fought Marcos. Sa Cadiz, hindi yung kampanya lang kayo sa Facebook. Totoo ka ng baril doon pag nag-eleksyon nung araw.
So sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo at ngayon, abogado ka, ang tanong, ano nga ang posibleng reforma sa Pilipinas? Anong kabutihan ang pwede nating makita sa lahat ng ito?
Pwede natin makita, pero I don't think makikita natin kung sila pa rin nandyan. He should change his cabinet. I have one question for Secretary Chu Laurel, which I did not mention in other shows. Why is it, Secretary Laurel, that this one bidder called Lead Agri has won all the biddings at more than 60% of the biddings for seedlings, rice seedlings, in the DA? Bakit ang AgriLead isang klaseng seedlings lang? Lahat, para sa lahat sa buong bansa, sila nananalo. Ibibigay nyo sa amin seedlings na hindi mabubuhay. Pag nanakaw po yan, Bureau of Customs. You check again if I am correct that the U.S. State Department also issued a comment that the Bureau of Customs is full of thieves. Well, not in that exact language, but that there's massive corruption. Grabe naman kayo. So, ang ano ko lang naman, ma'am, is maniniwala ba kayo na marireform ito ni BBM? Na siya pa rin ang presidente? Eh kung siya mismo, kina-question natin siya dahil sinabi ni Saldico na nag-kickback siya ng... O sinabi din ni Tang Chanko, he was witness to it, na sinabi niya na kinuha niyo na lahat. Sabi niya kay Martin Ibig niya sabihin, kinuha niyo na lahat, wala na natira sa akin.
Pag naririnig mo yung amounts, the houses, the mansions.
Hindi, billion. Dati may pagnanakaw naman. Pinoy was Pinoy appointed me twice, ha? Bawat presidente may pagnanakaw naman. Lahat, yan sila. Niwala ba ko wala? Pero Pino. May hiya, di ba? May hiya. Ito, mga walang hiya. Bongbong and Martin did not anticipate the hand of God na magbaha. Kita ng mga tao, nakita ngayon ng mga tao, bilyon-bilyon pera nakalatag sa mesa ng DPWH. Habang ang mga tao, halos maka-earn lang ng 30 pesos pagbebenta ng kung ano-ano para makabili lang ng bigas. Sabihin niya, Karen, ba't ako laging galit? Alam niya, sakit na nga ng puso ko When I wake up in the morning, pag galit ako, sumasakit puso ko. Kaya sinasabi ko, hindi na ako magalit ngayon kay Bongbong. Pero naman, tingnan mo naman mga ginagawa ng mga ito.
Attorney, you've been called crazy by some sectors.
Not I'm too bright for them. That's why they say I'm crazy. What do you mean I'm crazy? You know, crazy people go out in public without clothes. Those are the crazy people. Kayo crazy? And then when I wear clothes and I wear nice things, you say, yabang naman ito. Huwag niyo ako kakantihin kasi I have nothing to gain from all of this. Huwag niyo akong kalabanin ang tao na hindi nagnakaw, walang kailangan sa inyo. I'm crazy. I wrote 10 books. I have an article in the United Nations on the laws of violence against women in the Philippines. My book's Anti-Sexual Harassment Act is in the libraries of, listen carefully, people, Harvard, Stanford, UC Berkeley, and the National Library of Australia. Kayo, anong sinulat nyo na nailagay sa Harvard? And you think I'm crazy? Crazy pa ako niyan, ha? Can you imagine kung hindi ako crazy?
Tatakbo ka ba in 2028?
Not some, many people, especially my followers and the people, they really are looking for a champion. I'm not saying it has to be me, right? I'm almost 70 years old. But
Posibleng tatakbo ka ba?
I have no plans, Karen. I always say, I have no plans. And don't say I'm doing this because I want to run for senator. No.
Gusto mo ba manalong presidente si Sara Duterte?
Hindi sa gusto ko. But I also said that, I'm qualified to be a political analyst. After all, I was a politician in my mother's womb all the way to now. Unlike some people, I'm saying she's the woman to beat. Look at the surveys, and not only the surveys, kasi Bisaya ako, Karen. Not that I want, but that the people also I mingle with, they all say the same thing. If you hold elections now, VP Sara will win.
Palagay mo ba doon sa mga supporters ni Leni Robredo, merong kandidato na pwedeng tumalo sa kanya?
Ang gusto ni Risa siya, para daw pag nag-unite daw sila lahat, kasama si BBM, why not? Ako naman parang, alam mo, okay lang sa akin mag-ambisyon kayo dyan Pero yung ambisyon nyo na kain suka kayo, I will comment. Dati, never again sa martial law. I'm consistent. I'm consistently anti-Marcos. I'm consistently anti-corruption. I'm consistently anti-EJK. I'm consistently West Philippine Sea is ours. I said that impeachment against Sara Duterte was rigged. It violated the right to due process, therefore unconstitutional, and hindi ako uto-uto ni Martin. And I objected to the way Digong was arrested by General Torre.
Sa lahat ng nararamdaman mo, paninindigan mo, ano ang kailangan para bumuti ang bayan?
Mag-resign na si BBM. Sabi nila, same line na, you have to go to the top of it. Mag-resign na siya.
He will not resign, so he has 2 years left. Kung may pwedeng gawin ang Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa last 2 years niya para mapabuti Ang gobyerno, ano po yun?
Number one, lahat ng mga cabinet secretary na may issue, kagaya dyan mga sa customs, mga ganyan-ganyan, tanggalin niya, i-vet ng committee na hindi political, di ba? Isa. Tapos si Secretary Vince Dizon should make true his word na kahit si Sandro Marcos ang investigation, iakyat nila sa ombudsman. Number 3, si Sandro Marcos ipa-resign as majority leader kasi nakakasama yun sa image niya. Isa pa, yung budget na yan. Bakit yung may mga ano pa dyan, mga unprogrammed na funds? Para ano pa yan? Yan ang source ng pagdanakaw eh. Kasi yung budget talaga, they use that, Karen. They use that to loot our taxpayers' money. Nakakahiya. We're utang ng utang. Deficit spending kayo, I propose walang sweldo ang mga senador. Presidente, Vice President, Senador at Congressman. Walang sweldo. Bakit in Venezuela when they took over, kalahati na lang sweldo nila? Deficit na tayo eh. Tingnan mo yan, pag walang sweldo, per diem lang bawat, at upo mo dyan, babayaran kung di ba mag 100% na attendance yan.
Kung may makukulong, may magbabago ba? Will it change?
Ipakulong nyo na si Martin. Yun ang importante.
Will that change?
Siya naman talaga mastermind eh. Pakulong nyo na si Garjola. Ipakulong nyo na yung mga contractors na yan na may ebidensya naman kayo.
May kinatatakutan po ba kayo?
Diyos, scared of God, man. Thou shalt not steal and pretend that you don't. Amendment ko lang po yun kay Moses.
Okay.
So, ang ano ko lang, ma'am, is, sabi nila, ganyan-ganyan, I'm very compassionate. I'm very affectionate. Sorry na lang na hindi nyo ma-feel yung affection ko.
Okay.
Yeah. Pero
Alright.
I'm very affectionate to children, especially my brothers and sisters and I are very loyal and support each other, and we have tough love for each other.
So now there's an impeachment complaint against Sara Duterte. Do you believe that she will be impeached in the lower house and it will get to the Senate?
Of course. They're just moving according to a script. That's why I said that Congresswoman Luistro should resign as chair of that committee if she wants us to believe this Justice Committee. I mean, how can you be impartial?
Recently in PGMN, you came out and said you were a lesbian. So,
That was fun.
so why did you finally choose to come out?
No, I did not plan it. But these twins, you see them, they're really fun. I just felt so at ease na, it was natural for me to say. So when I was in the dorm, and I went home, and my mother asked, why are you home? It's not break. She sat beside me on my bed, and I said, a girl kissed me, and I kissed her back. And I thought, I was guilty, right? And my mother did like this lang on my forehead and said, you'll be fine tomorrow. That removed my anxiety and my guilt. With just one gesture on my forehead, I felt my mother's love. And I draw strength from that.
Are you happy you came out?
Yeah. And I told my partner that you better watch BGMN because I came out. And she laughed.
You've had a partner for 10 years? Is that correct?
No, I have a partner just for a few years. And it was love at first sight.